I'm going to show you guys how to start dropshipping with the $100. Let's go. All right, so first things first, if you're completely new to dropshipping and you don't even know what it is, go do a little research on it and then come back to this video. If you know the concept of dropshipping, then this video is perfect for you. So to start, we're going to use the website Droppy Spy to find our winning product, basically the product we're going to sell. So to start, you're going to come up here to the top left. I'm using the completely free version, so it's not going to show ads of the last 2 months. So you're not going to get the most recent content, but you're still going to get valuable content. So at the top left here, you can see where it says empty, drop shipping, last seen, winning products, or high engagement. Let's just start with drop shipping. All right, so once you click drop shipping, then we're going to also go to filters, and we're going to filter things out a little bit. So for media type, we're going to go to videos. So we're just going to completely start with just videos. So that's all we're going to use to help filter it. We just want videos. So right off the bat, these are literally just ads that are running on Facebook. So all these are Facebook video ads, and supposedly these are drop shipping products. And if you look at the filters here, it shows Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce is where it's coming from. So it's likely to say that these are fully drop shipping products. So I would start at drop shipping just to get an idea. Start looking at the products. If anything sticks out. So this one here, it's the cane that pops out. Super cool. It's got a wow factor. Doesn't solve a problem, but it does have a really, really good wow factor. So might be worth looking into. So that's the drop shipping. Now we're also going to check out last seen winning products. All right, so we're just going to scroll down and just keep looking at the products on here. Let's see. Basset Hound ramp. Okay, so it looks like for dogs that have a hard time getting off, you can go down to Walmart and get one of those, I'm pretty sure. So nothing special. All right, so we're scrolling down on the last seen winning products one. There's a couple in here that are hit or miss, but well, this one it solves the problem, and it's kind of got a wow factor. It's not really a wow factor, but it's, oh, that's cool. So it's a magic roller ball. It's this one here. I'm going to mute it just for copyright. I don't want the music to get hit. Basically, it's a ball that it says, let's see, pets get bored just like humans. We have a solution. So it's pulling on the emotional strings of like, oh, your pet's bored, and it automatically rolls around itself, keeps them entertained even when you're not there. So basically, it entertains your pet when you're not home. So it's pretty cool, and cats love it too. So it's for cats and dogs. So it kind of opens up the whole door of being for multiple animals, So that's good. So this is what you have to do. Literally, don't overthink the product research. Just go through, find a product, make sure it meets criteria. You can spend a lot of time going through it, checking trends, doing things. But if that is going to stop you from starting, then just don't do it. You can literally go on here, find products that it's either worked for some people, haven't worked for some people, or it might work for you. Just try it. Just start. Go with it. So for this one, we're literally just do this jog rolling ball and just go with it. I could sit here and go through Google Trends and check it. If you're more serious, then yeah, that's the best practice. But if you need to just start. Just do it. So we're going to go with this one. So you found your product. Now what do you do? So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to build your website. For this, we're going to use Shopify.com. It's where you're going to find your domain. It's where you're going to create your website, and it's where you're going to sell the product. So you can literally start with 14-day free trial. So there's no money there. And you're basically just going to sign up with your email address. I'll have a link below that you can use, and just go ahead and create your account and get started. So one thing I want to add here is a lot of people say, oh, what theme should I use? Which one should I do? Can I use a free one? Go with Debutify. It is super easy. It's completely free. They have a free version and they have higher tiered versions. I use a higher tiered version, but that's just because what the level of my store's at. When you're starting out, you can just use the free one. Use the free one. It's better than the free ones that Shopify offers, and at least in my opinion, you have a lot more things to work with, and they give you a trial on this too. So go ahead and install the Debutify theme for your theme. So I'm just going to assume that a lot of you guys watching this video know what dropshipping is, know how to make a website, at least for the most part, and you understand how Shopify works, and you understand how you're going to use a theme. You've probably watched a bunch of other videos before this one, so I'm not going to go into the nitty gritty of each thing. I'll have future videos doing that. But for right now, I'm just going to show you what I would do if I had $100 and I wanted to try and make dropshipping work. So you've got your store, you've got your theme, you build your website, you have your product. Speaking of the product, AliExpress is going to have the product right here. I just typed in dog rolling ball. So you can see there's like these plastic ones. There's the fuzzy ones. There's some with like a little piece coming off for cats. So you've got variety. You can choose one. It looks like the range between $5 and $6, some as low as $3. Start with AliExpress. Start with Oberlo to import it in. I eventually moved over to CJ Dropshipping. So far, they've been good to me. Some people say they're hit or miss. But I've been good with them so far. So you have your product. You have your store, you have your theme, you built your site, and you have Oberlo and your AliExpress, or Oberlo and AliExpress and your store all synced to go. You got your site. Now what are you going to do? How are you going to drive people to your store in order to make some money? So the one thing I would use is you got to know your product. So for instance, this is a dog rolling ball. It's going to work on Facebook because that's everybody. It's probably going to work on TikTok ads because it's it's intriguing. You could make a native ad to it and it would look good. You could probably do Snapchat ads. Google ads, it's kind of like hit or miss. It depends on how many people are searching for it. But those are the big ones. You can obviously do Pinterest, but I would focus on Facebook and TikTok and then possibly Snapchat. With $100 though, forget about all those things. You're going to start with Instagram influencers. All right, so since you only have $100 to spend and you want to make the most of it, the best thing you can do to start getting some sales to build that profit up is you're going to go to Instagram on your phone and you're going to literally search up pet lovers and to see what pops up. Let's see, pet lovers, 228,000 followers. You're literally just going to click message and reach out to these people and say, hey, how much for a promo? Simple as that. And then you're going to copy and paste the same message to multiple people on Instagram. So let's see, let's go to another one. Let's see, cutest puppies for you, 659,000 followers. It's probably gonna be more expensive. I would stay around 200,000 or below. You can try more, but keep in mind a lot of people, the engagement might be bad. You're gonna want to look at their posts, make sure they're getting comments, people are liking it, and just there's good engagement, not a bunch of fake crap. It's pretty easy to spot the fake crap. Let's see, Dog Sphere, 451,000 followers, too much. Pet Kings, 118,000 followers, perfect. Click message, paste that same thing. Hey, how much for a promo? And you're literally going to sit back and wait for the replies. Promos are going to range anywhere from as low as $5 for like a story post up to, it can be $100 or more, but obviously we're going to stay low. So we're going to keep our promos between $5, $10, $15, and $20. That way we can get multiple promotions going. Basically what's going to happen is they're going to reach out and tell you the price. You're going to say, okay, and you're going to set up a time and get a slot in. You can do a 12-hour post and do it the best time of the day, like, from 11 to 4, or in the evening as well, which is probably better, between 6 and midnight, something like that. But you're going to need a video ad or picture ad. Just do video ad. Don't even worry about picture ad. You're just going to do a video ad, and you're going to basically have them put your link to your website in their bio. All right, so now you might be thinking, okay, but where am I going to get my video ad from to send these people? Bro, go right back to Droppy Spy. Right here's your video ad. Let's see, details. This isn't necessarily the best quality video, but the next thing you can do is go to facebook.com and literally go into the search bar and type in dog rolling ball. And then just filter it by videos, and you're eventually going to come across a decent looking video for the same product. Now you might have to trim it up to get rid of their logo or whatever they put at the end. Just get the basic content, and then you can edit it any way you want, or you can do it just all we're doing is testing, right? So like for instance, right here, I can literally just click save video as, and there you go. There's your video. Now, is this the best way to do it? No, this is not the best way to get your video ad, but this is the way to get your foot through the door, and that's what we're going through. Get your foot through the door, try it, get a feel for how dropshipping is, and hopefully, if you do everything at least decently, and you promote it at least decently through the influencers, you're going to get some traffic coming in, and hopefully you're going to get your first sale. Once you get your first sale, it's like a little light bulb pops off for a lot of people. It's like, whoa, this is literally all it takes. This is all you have to do to start dropshipping. Yes, this is all you have to do. Okay, don't overthink it. Start today. Literally does not take very long to make a website. It doesn't even have to be perfect. You will not believe how many ridiculous sites there are out there that are still doing $1,000 days that you would never buy from, but for some reason people will. Okay. don't overthink it. Get your foot in the door. We've gone over how to find your product, how to make your store, where to source your product. I didn't go into all the details. There are hundreds of videos on YouTube on how to go into the details. If you guys want me to, we can walk through it step by step on how to do all the nitty-gritty details. But for now, I would assume a lot of you coming across my video would eventually already found videos explaining a lot of the little details. And you can kind of just put this together. Hopefully this will kind of click for some of y'all. Hopefully this will like clarify a few things, and that yes, this is literally as simple as it can be. This is all you have to do. Are you guaranteed to make money back? No. Okay, but a lot of us just got a stimulus not too long ago. You can take $100 from that stimulus and try. Okay, once you get a purchase, it's going to be a little bit of a flip for some of you, and you're going to be like, okay, now let's improve. Let's do better. Okay, you can do more product research. You can, if you do a product and you're like, whoa, this is kind of doing really good. Figure out what's working. Figure out what's not working. Whatever's not working, drop it and just keep doing what's working. Okay. All right. So I've given you pretty much everything that you need to do to start drop shipping. Now you might be saying, okay, but like, what am I going to do with how does $100 play into this? This is all you need to do to make $100 work with drop shipping. It may not work with the first product. Fine. But you can literally get, I would imagine you can get 2 to 10 Instagram influencers or Instagram promotions. Like basically you could probably have 10 promotions throughout the whole $100. And then if you don't get one sale through all of that, either your website sucks, your ad sucks, or your influencer sucked. But for most of the time, you're going to get 1 purchase to 10 purchases. I don't know. Nobody knows, but it's worth taking a chance. Okay, that's what I would do. If I had $100, that's how you start. That is literally how you start with $100. If you have more money, there's other revenues. This is the cheapest way to start is through Instagram influencers. So get out there, guys. Create your store. Hopefully this was the motivation you needed to go start today. Just get it going. If you have $100, that's how you do it. That's how I would start. I hope this helps some of y'all out there. I hope some of you will take action today, and I hope this will be a little bit of a light bulb of like, all right, thanks, Christian. I'm going to go do it. Like, get out there, do it. And I hope some of y'all kill it. I hope some of you guys get way more purchases than you expected from something as simple as an Instagram promotion, because it really can be that easy. So if you guys found any value in this, if this was a light bulb switch for some of y'all, if this is the motivation you needed to get started, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously, especially for small time channels like myself. I'm trying to grow. I know it takes time. I'm putting in the work, and here we are. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We can help each other out. We are literally all on this journey together. I am trying to be just completely real with you guys and how it works. Is it this simple? Yes, it is this simple. So good luck, guys. I will catch you on the next one. I hope you guys have a blessed day. We'll see you.